This was me a couple months ago. Afraid to smile. I lost my front tooth back in December, and it devastated me. And this is me now, smiling, living life, happy, confident, all thanks to Pop-On Veneers. A couple months ago, I found Pop-On Veneers, and it has been the best thing ever. I lost my front tooth back in December and was very insecure about it. You know, I was already kind of insecure about my teeth anyway, from my gap and discoloration and whatnot. But that losing that front tooth, man, really put me in a depressive mode, and I was really sad. And I found Pop-On Veneers, and I got all my confidence back, and then some. I mean, look at this. A lot of questions I get asked all the time is, can you eat with them? And yes, you can. You can eat with them. There's no problem. They ain't going nowhere. And I only have one. I only have the top pair. So if you're like me and you were struggling with your smile and you were like, never wanted to open your mouth, give them a try. They have payment plans, all the different things that they offer, guys. So what are you waiting for? Look them up. Request that mold kit. Send it back. Get your pack. Get your teeth. Get your smile back. I love it. 10/10 recommend.